From R.D. Sharma, Class 6, Chapter number 9, that is Ratio, Proportion and Unitary Method. Now last part in that we have to use unitary method. For that we will start from exercise, that is exercise 9.4. Question number 1. The price of 3 meter of cloth is rupees 79.50. Find the price of 15 meter of such clothes. Now for the first we will find for the 1 meter of cloth how much rupees. Okay, after that we will find the 15 meter of clothes. So for the 1 meter of clothes, one we had given, that is cloth and rupees means price. Okay, so for 1 meter of cloth, how much? 3 meter of cloth we had given, that is rupees 79.50. So for 1 meter how much? Or you can find directly that for the 15 meter. Okay, so if you want to do directly, here you can write 15 and do the cross multiplication. I am just using this method, that 1 equal to 1 into 79.50 upon cross multiplication 3. Okay, so that is 7950 upon 100 multiply by 3. 5. Now this is in the point. So answer is in the point. 3 0 0 cancel, 3 1s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 remain, 3 6 are 18, 1 remain and 5 are. So that is 265 upon 10. So answer is 26.5 rupees. Okay, this is for 1 meter of clothes. 1 meter of cloth. Now what we have to find for 15 meter of clothes. So for 1 meter, this is cloth and price. For 1 meter, how many rupees? 26.5 rupees. So for the 15 meter, how much? So directly multiplication, that is 26.5 multiplied by 15. That the answer is rupees 397.50 rupees. How much for 15 meter of cloth? Okay. Now question number 2. The cost of 17 chair is rupees 9605. Find the number of chairs that can be purchased in rupees 56,500. Now for the rupees 9,605 rupees, the 17 chairs we had 17 chairs, that is the cost. So for the rupees 56,500, how many chairs will be there? For that, first we will find in question 2 what we had given, that cost of 7 chair is rupees 9605, and we have to find the in rupees 56,500 how many chair will come. So cross multiplication, so which is equal to 7 into 56500 upon 9605. So cancellation with 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 9s are 45, then 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are, and this one 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 1 remain, 3s are 15 and 0 0. Again divide by 3. Here not 7, it is 17. Okay, that's my mistake, 17. Now cancel it, 17 1s are 17, 1 1 3s are 1 1 3s are 100 are, so which is equal to 100 chair. So how many chair purchased in this rupees? That is 100 chair purchase in rupees 56500. Question number 3. Three ferry loads are needed to carry 150 people across a river. How many people will carry on four ferry loads? Now in a ferry load, in three ferry load, there is 150 people we can carry, and in four ferry load, how many people are carried? We have to find it out. So in three ferry load, how many people? 150 people we can carry. So in four ferry load, how much? Cross multiplication, 4 into 150 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3, 50s are. So which is equal to 4 into 50, 200 people. Okay. So therefore, what to write? 200 people will be carried on four ferry load. Now question number 4. Question is, if 9 kg of rice costs rupees 120.60, what will be 50 kg of such a quality of rice cost? Now 9 kg it is rupees 150. So for the 50 kg, how much cost? Cross multiplication. Now question number 4, that is rice in kg. 9 kg of rice cost rupees 120.60. So of 50 kg, how much price? So which is equal to 50 into 120.60 upon 9, which is equal to 50 multiplied by 1260 upon 9 into 100. Now cancel it. So 9 ones are 9, 1 3 4 zeros are. Okay, now we have to cancel 0. Now multiply it. The answer is rupees 670. So for the 50 kg of rice, the cost is rupees 670. So therefore, what we will write? Cost of 50 kg rice is rupees 670. A train runs 200 km in 5 hours. How many kilometers does it run in 7 hours? So in 5 hours 200 km the train runs. Then in 7 hours how much? Here also the same thing we have to do. 200 km in 5 hours. So in 7 hours how much? So cross multiplication, 200 multiplied by 7 upon 5. So cancel it. 5 ones are 5, 40s are, which is equal to how many kilometer? 280 kilometers. Therefore, the answer is 280 kilometers does it run in 7 hours. So train run 280 kilometers in 7 hours. 15 postcard cost rupees 2.25. What will be the cost of 36 postcard? How many postcard can we buy in rupees 45? So see, first of all, 15 postcard cost rupees 2.25. What will be the cost of 36 postcard? So first we will find this first one. So see, here in 15 postcard rupees 2.25. So 36 postcard how much? So 36 multiplied by 2.25 upon 50, which is equal to 36 into 225 upon 50 into 100. Decimal remove. Now cancellation. 5 3s are 5, 4s are 20 and 5s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now multiply it. The answer is question 5, 4, 0 upon 100. Okay, so that one is 5.40 rupees. So therefore cost of 36 postcard is rupees 5.40. Now two questions are there. How many postcard can we buy in rupees 45? So how many postcard will we buy in rupees 45? So we will use this only 15, then rupees 2.25, or you can use this also, but I am using first one. So cost and card. So cost of if it is 2.25, how many cards? 15. So rupees 45, how many cards will come? So 45 into 15 upon 2.25, which is equal to 45 multiplied by 50 into 100 upon 225. 5 3s are 15, 5 40, 5s are 45, 45 cancel, which is equal to 300. So how many cards will come? 300 cards will come. So therefore in rupees 45, 300 postcard, 300 postcard can we buy. Twelfth one, a car travel 165 km in 3 hours. How long will it take to travel 440 km? So first one we had given that car travel 165 km in 3 hours. So in 440 km, it will how many hours it will take? So cross multiplication, 440 multiplied by 3 divided by 6165. So cancel it. 3 ones are 3, 5s are 15, 50 5s are 11, 5s are 11, 4 4s are 44, 40s are. Okay, then 5 1s are and 5 8s are. So how many hours it will take? 8 hours. Now to how far will it travel in 7 hours? So in 3 hours 165 kilometers. So in 7 hours how much? So 7 into 165 upon 3. 3 ones are 355. So which is equal to, answer is 385 kilometer. Therefore now how much car travel 385 km in 7 hours. 13th one, 2 dozen of orange cost rupees 60. Find the cost of 120 similar oranges. Now 2 dozen means 1 dozen equal to 12 oranges. So 2 dozen equal to 2 into 12, that is 24. So this 24 oranges is cost rupees 60. So we had given 2 dozen. So first of all we will see that 1 dozen equal to how many oranges? 12 oranges. So 2 dozen equal to 2 into 12, which is equal to 24 oranges. Why we had convert? Because we had asked of 120 similar oranges. So that is given in number. So we had changed it. So for oranges and cost. So for 24 orange, how many cost? Rupees 60. So for 120, how much? So equal to 120 into 60 upon 24. Okay. 12 2s are 12, 10s are 2 1s are 2 5s are, which is equal to how many rupees? 300 rupees. So for 120 oranges, how many rupees? 300. Therefore, cost of 120 oranges is rupees 300. Now question number 40. A family of 4 members consumes 6 kg of sugar in a month. What will be the monthly composition of sugar if the number of family members become 6? Now for the 4 member, it is 6 kg sugar. So for the 6 member, how much sugar is it? See, for 4 members 6 kg. So for the 6 member, how much? So 6 into 6 upon 4. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 3 3s are 9 kg. So for the 6 member, how many kg? 9 kg. Therefore, for 6 member, 9 kg of sugar okay. Now 15th one. The weight of 45 folding chair is 18 kg. How much such chair can be loaded on the truck having the capacity of carrying 4000 kg load? Now for the 45 chair, 18 kg it is that load. Now for the truck, we can only load 4000 kg. So how many chair will come? See, for the 18 kg 45 chair, so 4000 kg, how many chair? So 4000 into 45 upon 80. Cancel it. That is 9 2s are 9 5s are 2 1s are 2 2 0 0 0, which is equal to 10,000 chairs. So how many chairs can be loaded? 10,000. So therefore 10,000 chairs can be loaded on a truck. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching this video.